In this video, I want to show you how to fix the flash not working on your Canon digital camera, and it doesn't matter what model that you have. Now this particular one's a PowerShot, but you might have an ELPH, you might have a G series, it doesn't matter. So what you want to do is, first thing you're going to do is do a factory reset. So you want to go to menu on your Canon, menu, and then you can go to that little workshop tools there. Go to the right and go all the way down to where it says reset all. Click OK, and then go to OK. And that should reset it. Now see if it works. Now if that doesn't work, what I want you to do is go into a dark room. It may be working, you're just not thinking it's not. Go into a dark room and see if the flash works. Alright, if it doesn't work, next thing I want you to do is power it off and remove both the battery and the SD card. And again, it doesn't matter what model that you have. And we're going to leave them both out for a good 30 minutes. That's a soft reset. But in the meantime, what I want you to do is I want you to plug your battery back in and make sure it's fully charged, 100% charged, whether that takes an hour or whatever. If you have a new battery, that's even better. Put the new battery in, because the flash takes a lot of power. So it might be that your battery's just ran down so much, you might need to get a new battery. All right. So that's a very, very common problem with it not working. Now we've already done the reset, and it does not have a physical flash on it on these digital cameras. If you did, you could clean it with rubbing alcohol, but the majority of Canons do not have that. What you want to do now is try a different shooting mode. So if you have it on auto, test it on program mode, test it on flash on mode. Try doing that. And so if we pull it up here, let's go ahead and put, it's been 30 minutes, so let's go ahead and put our stuff back in, our battery and our SD card. Well, before you put the SD card in, leave the SD card out. All right. Try to see if the flash works without the SD card. If it did, it could be a faulty SD card. So try to get a new one and try that and see if that fixes the issue. Or you can firmly put it in. Try to firmly put in the SD card and then see if that will work. A lot of times you'll see that does fix the issue. All right, and let's see here. All right, so let's go to menu. Also, if it's powered off, try powering it on from the play mode, the blue one, instead of this one right here. Try powering it on with the play mode and then see if your digital will work. That's the flash, so make sure that your flash is on. All right, so there. And then what we're going to do now is we're going to go to menu, and then we're going to scroll down to flash settings, click enter, and make sure it's on. So if it's off, then you know that's the reason, the red lamp, and click OK. And then we also said we want to try different settings, IS settings. Digital zoom, it's standard. You can try standard, try off. AF point zoom, try on or off. Try different, same thing with beam. Try each of those different settings and tell me if it works. All right, let me know in the comment section which method worked, and also let me know what model you have. Do you have a PowerShot? Do you have a ELPH? What do you have? All right, thanks for watching.